You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast, brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
So what we saw in the last couple of years was the EPA putting out regulations related to unreasonable risk to human health. So not necessarily the environment, but to human exposure and human health is what they were taking these the regulatory stance. So what they have done is they've posed what they call ECEL or ECELs, which is existing chemical exposure limits, which are different than OSHA's permissible exposure limits. So I think this is a whole new area that we're delving into, where the ECELs, as EPA calls them, are much more stringent than any of the OSHA's PELs or permissible exposure limits. So what we see now is last May, EPA came out and had a final ruling on methylene chloride for vapor degreasing. And they said it will be prohibited for use. And I think the date right now is by April 2026 for most industrial applications. And that extends out probably for, I think, till 2029 for any Department of Defense or NASA or military applications.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.